Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, May the 21st, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Semantic Machines. Microsoft has actually acquired this company from Berkeley, and it's to improve the conversational capabilities of bots. So that means robots and computers might interact even more naturally with humans. Apparently, they are specialized in the types of AI and software needed to do so. It's going to be interesting to see where Microsoft will apply this, but one good idea is that probably Cortana will be one of the services that might actually be improved with this. Well, we're on the edge of a new Wi-Fi encryption, basically. So the new version of WPA3 for Wi-Fi protected access is about to arrive. The first company to roll it out, Qualcomm. It uses advanced cryptography and promises to actually be the most secure yet of Wi-Fi encryption. And apparently it is so secure that even enterprise-grade security will be able to use Wi-Fi. Well, the GDPR, or the General Data Protection Rules or Regulations, are starting this week. This Friday, May the 25th, businesses will need to comply with a set of new regulations that promise not only to make data protection a must for companies, but also make it easier to understand what businesses will do with your data and how it will be kept in a secure manner so that we probably have less and less problems. Also, it will be a duty for companies to make it clearer and easier to understand what are your rights and what are the privacy rules. Well, a new survey suggests that not only did the Cambridge Analytica scandal not have any effects on Facebook, but it's actually 7% increase in users year over year. We had this phase of people saying, well, Facebook is going to lose tons and tons of users, and that, it maybe is the beginning of the end. I've seen a few people say that. Nope, Facebook is as healthy as ever, and it seems that the scandal pretty much didn't do anything. And talking about scandal, Mark Zuckerberg will appear, of course, in front of the European Parliament members. And of course, he didn't want to at first, but then they said, well, if you don't, we can actually, put out a warrant to have you arrested. So now he, of course, is going to meet up. Also, controversy. At first, it was supposed to be a meeting that was only with the European Parliament in a kind of a private manner, but with all the people saying, no, 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 it can't be like that. Well, it will be live streamed. Qualcomm and Facebook are teaming up to offer the world's cheapest and fastest internet access in urban areas. It will be a service that will run on the 60 gigahertz network, which is a very high frequency, and apparently promises to have gigabit per second Wi-Fi to devices that will be compatible. There's no official date as to when it starts to roll out or where, but it is interesting. Cornell University has designed a 3D battery design. It's still kind of a lithium-ion battery, but it's designed on a 3D model that apparently makes it so efficient that basically it will recharge in seconds and would almost last forever, or at least the total number of cycles of recharge and discharge are almost limitless. So this is going to be nice. Let's hope we have that soon in our phones. A new update to the Microsoft Store is adding a department tab that will actually help you go through the different products, services, and apps, but also see the discounts quite quickly when something is on sale. So this is something that is apparently going to roll out to users starting pretty much now. So if you have an update for the store, check it out. It might have the new improved department tab. A developer union has been kind of founded to help Apple devs or basically anyone that makes apps for Apple and Apple App Store to fix many problems in the App Store. It includes pushing Apple to give a bigger revenue share to the developers that make apps, and also how apps are marketed to help creators just make more money and have their apps be a little more popular. There's a lot of talk about the Google Duplex Assistant, and there was a lot of questions and a lot of things that we were kind of not really knowing, and a lot of people are saying, well, I hope the assistant actually identifies itself. Google answered to a couple of these saying, yep, the assistant will actually identify itself when it actually calls, and will also warn the user that the call is recorded. So apparently these are kind of new things, but there are still unanswered questions about the Google Duplex. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, May the 21st, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.